Thank you. Thank you. Hi, guys. Oh, those are the shoes right there. Bronzemarley. What's going on, y'all? It's Bronzemarley, and I'm back with another WIG review. I don't have an intro, so please forgive me. I will say I really do appreciate the packaging of this. I have never received an Amazon wig in unique packaging before. I do not think. So for them to send this, I mean, granted, it's just like a generic green bag, but I really do love the fact that they put thought into this. Like, this is actually a really cute green. Like, I don't know why I'm getting into the packaging, girl. It's not that deep. They gave me 2 wig caps that I will be utilizing. And also we have the wig. This wig is actually from the company Viennois hair. I hope I'm saying that right. Viennois or Viennois hair. This is a 150% density, 13 by 4, 28-inch straight unit. It's set to be pre-plucked, and looking at it outside, like looking at it through the packaging, I can already see that this is pre-plucked, and they do say that it has natural baby hair. So when they usually say the natural baby hair, I'm not really a big fan of that. Sometimes I like to do it in certain styles, but usually when I first install my wigs, I don't install them with baby hair because it's just not my style. I usually just cut those off and trim those off. So this is the wig. It's 28 inches. I'm honestly not going to do a length test because just looking at it, it looks pretty long to me. It appears to be longer than 28 inches. So now for the moment of truth, let's take a look at the inside of this wig. Let's look at the lace construction because y'all know that is my biggest critique. Aside from the length, I don't care how pretty the hair is. I don't care how true to length it is. If the cap construction is not to my particular liking, all right, let's take a look. So like I said, I am liking the plucking that I'm seeing so far. I feel as though I'm not gonna have to do too much to that. If I'm not mistaken, I don't think I plucked this. Oh yeah, I did pluck this unit. I plucked it and bleached the knot. All right, so let's see, love. I think I'm gonna be impressed. Can you impress me? Let me see. Yep, she did it. This is exactly what I'm talking about. So this one, yes, of course, it doesn't give you a complete 4 inches on the side, but it gives you just enough space to do a deep part. As you guys can see, it is pre-plucked a little bit. I am gonna pluck it a little bit more after I bleach the knots to see if I even need to do that. But if you know me, you know that I'm not really the biggest fan of doing too much to my wigs when I first get them because I truly do love that natural look. For this hair to be 150 density, it does feel pretty thin, but it has not been washed yet, so I am combing my fingers through it just so that it can thicken up a bit. And the only reason why I'm doing that is because I'm about to install this in about an hour, so I will say, hold on now. Oh, girl. Yeah, so far I'm actually very satisfied with this. So this wig retailed for $219.78 on Amazon. And like I said, it's from the company Viennois hair. Now, will I recommend this? Just based off of my first impression, yeah, I'll go ahead and leave a link down to it below. However, I am doing a full install and review on this wig, so be sure to stay tuned for that one. If you have not already gone ahead and subscribed and turned on your post notifications, be sure to do that now. All right, you guys, so this is me basically bleaching the knots and plucking the wig and just customizing it to my particular liking. Being that this is just a visual in regards to what I did to this unit, I'm not going to talk too much about that. However, I am going to give my review on this wig while you guys enjoy me curling it in the background. So I bought this wig back in May, like I said, for a wedding that I attended, and the date today currently is July 21st. So I've had more than enough time to wear this unit, play around with it, and give it a full review. And let me tell you guys, this is by far one of the best, if not the best unit I've ever purchased from Amazon. The hair was so soft, it was very long, it was true to length. The cap construction, as you guys know, was everything and more for me. Now, this hair held a curl very well. I really did enjoy that. It did fall due to me, you know, dancing and partying and stuff, so I wasn't too pressed about that. Now, like I said, I bought this wig back in May and I wore it to a wedding, but I also ended up wearing this wig again in the airport. I'll insert some pictures for you guys to check those out. But I ended up wearing this as my airport unit and also my first day in Sarasota when I traveled there a few weeks ago. And y'all, it still was just as amazing. The hair was soft. It did not shed at all. It did not tingle. Like, I was beyond impressed with this wig. I don't know what more to say about it. So yeah, here you have me preparing for the wedding, and yeah. All right, you guys, so I'm actually kind of running behind, so I'm gonna end this video here. I thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. This is the final look, and I think I look absolutely glamorous. I thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you enjoyed it, if you enjoyed me, please give me a huge thumbs up, as well as leave me a comment down below about what you guys thought about this look, what you guys thought about this video, what you'd like to see in future videos, or if you just want to say, hey B, what's going on, Bronze? I would greatly appreciate that. Don't forget to join this compact by hitting that subscribe button, as well as that bell button right beside it, so that you get notified every single time that I decide to upload. You can keep up with me on all of my endeavors, as well as social media platforms at Bronzemarley. I love you guys so much, and I gotta get to this wedding. Bye, guys.